We're out here under the Maritime Training Center under the Ballard Bridge, and this is going to be a full-scale stability demonstration using a roll test. This is in conjunction with the course we're giving here that's on the Coast Guard approved course Stability for Fishermen, given by myself.
Okay. Thanks, Bill.
Cut it.
We're slacking lines off here to get ready for the roll test.
Yeah. Okay.
Now Danny Ellis, Bill George, can measure the beam of the vessel.
Okay, the measured beam was 12 feet 4 inches.
There's not much more we have to do than just to get the vessel moving. Now we can do this a couple ways. One way is just to walk on a small vessel like this is to walk back and forth. Another way is to get a line on it. You better check that electrical wire here too. Now what we're basically going to do is, let's see, Danny, get down on the boat too, because we're going to do a couple experiments here. The first one we're going to do is a roll test with the three of us standing basically on the center line. And who's got the stopwatch? You got the stopwatch? Okay, now to get it rolling, basically, if you two guys stand on the center line, I'll just walk back and forth, you know, do this. Now, you get ready to time it.
You know when?
Get her going, good. Okay, stand by. And mark it. That's 1, 2. And stop the watch for this third one. So stand by. Mark it. So how many seconds did we get?
14.2.
14.2, and we divide that by 3. That was about 16.
Okay, Dan and Mike are both 150. Bill's about 260.
We're trying not to have an oil spill here.
They got the weights that they were moving. Mike Poye is the skipper of the Prince William Sound
Watch that. That's all there was to it.
fishing vessel.
What we'll do is we'll do the Okay, now we're going to do this again. Let me get her going again. We'll try it again. This time I'm going to try it by being on the dock here. Coming down on it. So this is something you can do right before you. On the center line here. Okay, let's do it again. Stand by. Mark it. That's 1, 2, 3.
What was that reading, Mike?
That was 14.8. Now that wasn't rolling as strongly as we did the other time. But the three of us were on deck. Now this next time we're all going to get on the pilot house roof. And what we're going to do is the weight of our bodies is going to be a shift. The distance will be the height from this deck to the next deck up. And that's just about, I'd say 6.3 feet. This is in feet and intensity. Okay. Now this time we're going to do the roll test.
This should reduce the stability.
What we might have to do is a couple of us might have to move back and forth together here. So just be careful you don't fall off. Which side you want to go on? Okay, let's get over here. do it again, because I don't, that's bad. It could have been longer. Yeah. Well, you help us get it. Mark. 1, 2, 3. 14. Okay, so that is longer. So I would throw away that 14.8 we had before. We'll do that again on the way down.
Bill says he's taking 1/8 of a ton and taking it up to the top of the mast.
Thank you.
Go all the way down. Let her go all the way down to the deck.
Okay. Okay.
I'll get a reading on this thing here in a second. Hope you're getting this on tape, damn it. What did I do for the Coast Guard?
Better hurry though, my battery's going.
Okay, that is 16.8 feet. That is feet, tenths of feet, not inches. Yeah, 16.8. Okay, here's the end of the tape. I want to be able to hang on. Now you two guys get this thing going and time the rolling period. Roger. Well, I gotta hang on real tight. Okay. This shit scares the hell out of me. Oh, come on.
I just declined Bill's offer to go up there and tape from up there.
Okay, anytime you guys are ready, time the roll period. Stand by. Mark it. Mark it. What'd you get that time?
I got 15.3.
15.3. Okay. Sure you know how to do this, Glenn. Get up here. It's a great shot.
Bad chance, Bill.
Great shot. Let's do it again. We don't lines or anything, so we're free to roll. Okay, let's start. Stand by now with the timing. You do it this time. You call it. All right, Clark.
And 15.7 seconds that time.